So now guys, I'd like to apologize for that. Okay, so this is how I got here. Okay, so now let's do the next example. So basically guys, now I have 3 examples to go. Okay, I have 3 examples to go now. Okay, so now I want you to just take this down and then we will move on. Okay, then we'll move on. Guys, I'm just waiting for this plane to go by and then we'll do the next question. Okay, so I'm sure you've taken this down. Okay. Guys, I really hate the fact that that phone call came. It really ruined the fact that I was making the video very seamlessly. Guys, but it's actually very hard to keep some people away. Okay, so this is the next question. So let's try and solve these 3. Okay, so now basically guys, there's one thing that I want to tell you before solving this question. Guys, one thing that I want to tell you is, guys, please, I request you, okay? It doesn't matter how intelligent you are, it doesn't matter how hard you work. If you do not choose your friends wisely, you can actually screw up your life, okay? And this is actually a fact. Okay, please guys, choose your friends wisely. Guys, there are many friends who don't make it anywhere in life, okay? And they don't want you to make it anywhere in life as well. Okay, basically what they will do, guys, is they'll call you and say, let's hang out. And then when you go to them to hang out, they'll just practically waste your time. They will lie, and God knows what on earth they do. So I'm making a request that if you realize that you have certain friends who say something else, and then once you go to them, they start wasting your time in one way or the other, please somehow try to avoid them. Okay? That's what I do. This very person who called, I try to avoid this person. Okay? But if I didn't pick up the call, then this person would have made my life hell. And when certain people make your life hell, guys, you're like, oh my God, what do I do? So guys, sometimes you have to maintain the balance. But my advice to you, stay away from such people who waste your time. Okay? Because now, guys, we're living in a world where if you do not look out for yourself, nobody will. Guys, here in India, nobody cares about you. Everyone cares about themselves here in India. So nowadays in the world, it's like this. So please be a little selfish and don't hang out with people who waste your time. And when I mean waste your time, I mean to say whenever you go to them, they do one thing or the other by wasting your time. Okay? So anyways, I'm sorry I took long to explain that, but I assure you I'll not take this long to solve this question. Okay, so let's do it. So what is the first step? So guys, as I'm solving this, I'm not saying anything because I want you to also solve the problem with me. And if I don't give you any information, you're going to be using your brain and your mind to solve this by yourself. And that way, you'll not only be practicing, you'll also be gaining confidence in how to solve such problems. So, let's solve it together. Okay? wonder if we solved this question already. Yes, didn't we solve this question already? Okay guys, so hold on guys. 3 by 2, -5. Hold on guys. Wow, that's actually weird. No, we haven't solved this one. No guys, we haven't solved this one. My apologies. We haven't. No, I thought we solved this one as well. My apologies. Okay, so now let's do it. Okay. One sec, guys. No, I thought, guys, we solved this one as well, but we didn't. Okay. So 121. Okay, plus 40. Okay. 16 equals 0. So now, guys, we have minus 121 plus 40. So obviously you're going to get negative 81. Okay. Guys, I was just making sure that we didn't solve this before, and I'm wasting my energy and your time, and making fun of the whole matter. So that's just how it is. But anyways, yep. So we get 81. Second time I said yep, coming to this step. What a coincidence. Okay. So let's go from here. Okay, so now we have to cancel the square. Okay. So 9 by 4. Okay. Plus minus. So x equals negative plus minus 9 upon 4. Okay. So from here, guys, you can take it on yourself. Plus 9 divided by 4. Okay. So that's negative 2 over 4. So that gives you negative half. Okay. So negative 11, negative 9 upon 4. Negative 20 upon 4, which gives you negative 5. Okay. So these are the two answers which you will obviously get. Okay. So now basically we have two more examples to go. We have two more examples to go, and then we're done. Okay. So okay, what I'm going to do, guys, is okay. So now let's just do this. Okay, so now, guys, you have just two more questions to go. So basically what I'm going to do, guys, is I want you to try both of these questions absolutely by yourself. Okay, so let me just write them down. Okay, 6x squared plus 7x plus 2 equals 0. Okay, and 3x squared plus 11x plus 6 equals 0. Okay, so let me just check the signs on this. Yep, we already did that. Okay, so I want you to try these two and solve them on your own. I'm not gonna solve both of them yet. I'm gonna solve both of them in a few minutes. Okay, so till then I want you to try to solve these two. Okay, now guys, I'm feeling some discomfort in my health, so just excuse me for 2 seconds. Guys, I actually sweat very profusely, so I'll be back in 2 seconds. So then try solving these two. Alright, I'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, sorry about that. So I hope you've started on one of these. Okay, so basically I'll start with this one and then we'll solve this one. Okay, I'll start with this one and then we'll solve that one. Okay, so well, okay, we basically have one more. Okay, yes, so this is the one. Yes, I'm going to start with this one now. Okay, so let's start now. Okay, so basically this is the first step. Excuse me. Okay. Okay. So guys, what is 44 divided by 3? Okay. So let's just have a look at that. Okay. So now you have negative 49. 1 second. Okay. Okay, guys. So you have negative 49. Okay. Plus. Okay. So let's really look at this, guys. Okay. Okay, so 48, okay, divided by 3 equals 0. Okay, so let's go here. 7 by 12 squared. 1 over. Okay. Yeah, so let me just complete this step first. 1 over 144. Okay. So now you have x plus 7 by 12. Okay. 2 is 1 upon 44. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, now we're getting messy, isn't it? We're getting pretty messy now. So now basically you have x plus 7 by 12. Okay, over 144. Okay, you know why we did that. Okay, so now plus minus 1 plus minus 1 over 12, okay? 1 over 12. So guys, I'm sure you'll be able to take it from here, plus minus 1, 12. So here, from here, all you have to do is find the roots, okay? I'm sure you'll be able to find the roots, okay? So you'll get negative 6 divided by 12, so that's negative 1 upon 2. Okay, then you'll get negative 8 upon 12, okay? So you'll basically get negative 2 by 3, okay? But still, I recommend you to find the two values yourself. From there, you can take it on because you can take it from there because it's, you know, very basic arithmetic. Okay. So now let's solve the final question, and then we will be finished. Okay, we'll be finished for the day. Now, I'm sorry I erased it pretty fast, but I'm sure you'll know how to take it down, so don't worry. Okay, so let's do the last question, and then our mission for the day is accomplished. Okay? So let's do 3x squared plus 11x plus 6 equals 0. Okay, 3x squared plus 11x. Okay, so let's do it now. Okay guys, now my arm is also starting to hurt. You know, it's the first time this happened, my arm has started to hurt. I don't know why.